Hey guys, how you doing? It's Odin from the Canadian marketing team, and I would like to invite you to an event that we're having coming up. And all you need to do is you go to www.freemarketingevents.com. And these events only happen once a year. They don't actually happen regularly. They only happen once a year, and more events are coming down the pipeline. So if you miss this event, there's a chance that you may not see it for a while. Of course, the people that I'm working with will be able to see it. That's something that we work on regularly. But for those individuals that I'm not working with, which is probably you, what I really do encourage you to do is check out the event. We're going to be going through some pretty awesome processes that will really open your mind. And we're going through the 21 reasons that 80% of businesses fail and how you can overcome the odds. So we're going to be talking about sales processes. We're going to be talking about recruiting. We're going to be talking about outsourcing. We're going to be talking about prospecting. We're going to be talking about databases. We're going to be talking about technological changes. And not only that is that this focus group or this event is also going to have a workbook for all the people that attend. So all you need to do is you need to go and register at www.freemarketingevents.com, and you'll be all registered, and we'll send you all the information for our future events that are coming up as well. So I look forward to seeing you at the event, and we'll talk to you real soon. Take care.